2024 Kia Picanto comes with updated bold exterior styling and interior design and comes with an 8-inch touchscreen, 4.2-inch LCD display, heated steering wheel, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, or 14-inch or 15-inch alloy wheels, or optional 16-inch alloy wheels. And power-wise, engines are not confirmed, but it should come with a 1-liter 3-cylinder engine or a 1.2-liter 4-cylinder. And power should be delivered through a 5-speed manual gearbox or a 5-speed automated manual gearbox. And then, of course, trim levels wise, it's not confirmed as well, but one trim level that is confirmed is the GT trim level, just so you should know. Now the prices are also not been confirmed, but it should cost £15,000 or more, most likely. Now, compared to its competition like the Toyota Aygo-X, the Fiat Panda, the Fiat 500, the VW Up, and so on, I think this car does not quite beat them in my personal opinion, even with this facelift / update. Look, it's not better than the Toyota Aygo-X, and that's a fact. And the Fiat Panda for me is still cool, stylish, and sexy, and still extremely cool as well. And the Fiat 500 might be old, but still an excellent city car. But it is better than the VW Up, and even in my personal opinion, better than the Hyundai I10 in my personal opinion. So thank you very much for joining me on the show.